Hello everyone, I hope you are all good. You guys have already seen my Bengali tutorial channel called Itihaser Itikatha on history, art and culture. Now I am launching our second channel based on everyday cooking, especially Bengali cuisine. But you can also get non-Bengali food taste. It will be a home cooking channel as well as our daily food vlog. On our upcoming videos, we will show you how to make tasty food with minimum vegetable which are very affordable with minimum uses of spices. So guys, don't miss the love and care of homemade food. Thank you so much. Bye.